Panchakarma treatments. This is our area of Ayurvedic external treatments and therapies. We have 25 treatment rooms because we have bigger groups coming from different parts of the world like Germany and Sweden and Russia and Denmark.
Ayurveda is more popular in Europe increasingly also more.
Yes,
they appreciate the value.
Yeah, there are 2 points into it. One side point is Ayurveda, which has originated from this own land. People are not aware about the wonderful effects what they can derive from this particular science, but this science, the benefits of it have been reached throughout the globe, and there are people who have belief into this natural science, and they are coming down in groups to us, and we are helping them to curb the diseases.
What is normal treatment like? How many days? How many sittings?
Okay. Basically, at Ayurvedic Center we have packages. The minimum package duration is of 7 days, and the duration of treatment is 2.5 hours. But if there is a particular case which requires more time of treatment, then we go to the extent of delivering the treatment time to whatsoever which is required.
Doctor, of the subject, is the Goa government doing enough to promote Ayurveda? We have a Ayurvedic college in Chiroda and things like that.
Very sadly, no.
Okay.
If Goa government could take the initiative to promote not only Ayurveda tourism, it can start with health tourism, wherein people from different countries could come to allopathic treatment for doing surgery, for doing that dental treatment, and later on the government could also take initiatives and promotive methods to boost up Ayurvedic tourism in Goa, which would be not only benefiting the Goa in terms of the revenue part, but it would also be giving certain facilities for the global society.
Your experience is good that this thing works and that people from abroad do appreciate the value that it adds.
I'm very proud to say that we were established in the year 2000, and now we are completing 8 years. Within this 8 years span, we have been able to deal with around more than 50,000 patients, out of which the maximum figure goes to the peoples of non-Indian origin.
I see. Ayurvedic massage has caught up in a big way, particularly in Kerala. It's become a big fashion, and you could say it's also been recognized. Is that also used here a lot? Is it a part of Ayurveda traditionally, or is it a modern add-on?
Basically, when we talk about the word massage is more for relaxation, okay, but we have a particular terminology in Ayurveda which is called as Abhyanga. Abhyanga is to apply oils on all the vital parts of the body, especially those parts which are a meeting point of blood arteries and veins. Actually, it's an anastomosis which actually liberate heat and energy when we do a gentle type of massage. Now, this particular massage technique is a very simple technique wherein you just give upward strokes to the body as per the anatomy of the body, so that the blood circulation is improvised. And once the blood circulation is improvised, that particular body parts get enough of nutrition which is reaching to it through the blood, and hence you feel good, hence you feel nice. And Abhyanga, if we are very well acknowledged, is done right from our childhood. When we are born as a small child, we remember that our mothers and our grandmothers always massaged us till the age of 3 years or even 5 years, and that this is how we could say that Indian people have a good immune system, okay, because the benefits of massage are right with us from our childhood times.
What is this?
People who are coming for Ayurveda for the first time have little imaginations about Ayurveda, and when they are talking about Ayurveda in Goa, they are also looking for a holiday part into it. So people ask for us for the requirement of a swimming pool, but we didn't want it to go into a luxury part. So what we thought we could indulge both the ideas of a swimming pool as well as a herbal pool. So we had now that the Russian charter flights are increasing year by year, and Russian people are mostly coming with dermatological condition, especially psoriasis is a grave medical condition which they are suffering.
Because of the climate or
yes, because of
environment
the
or?
drastic climates, yes. So we thought of making up a herbal pool wherein we could make certain herbal concoctions, and we can put into the water so that they have the benefit of enjoying a little bit bath into the pool, as well as having the benefits of the herbs on their body part.